Essentials of Classic Italian Cooking by Marcella Hazan is a treasure trove of authentic Italian recipes, techniques, and insights. With its meticulous attention to detail, this book encapsulates the soul of Italian cuisine, inviting readers to embark on a culinary journey through the flavors and traditions of Italy. Hazan's expertise, passion, and love for simplicity shine through each page, making this book a must-have for anyone seeking to master the art of Italian cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, this timeless guide will empower you to create delicious and memorable Italian dishes that will transport you to the sun-drenched landscapes of Italy with every bite. 7 Lessons Learned from this book. Simplicity is key. One of the fundamental lessons from Essentials of Classic Italian Cooking is the importance of simplicity. Marcella Hazan emphasizes the beauty of letting quality ingredients shine through minimalistic preparations. By focusing on a few key elements and allowing the flavors to harmonize, readers learn how simplicity can elevate a dish to new heights. Technique matters. Hazan emphasizes the significance of technique in Italian cooking. From proper knife skills to mastering the art of sauce making, she guides readers through essential techniques that form the foundation of Italian cuisine. By honing these skills, aspiring cooks can enhance the authenticity and quality of their dishes. Quality ingredients make a difference. Italian cooking relies heavily on the use of high-quality ingredients. Hazan emphasizes the importance of sourcing fresh, seasonal produce, premium meats, and authentic Italian staples like extra virgin olive oil and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Understanding the impact of quality ingredients on the final outcome of a dish is a valuable lesson imparted by the book. The art of balancing flavors. Italian cuisine is renowned for its harmonious blending of flavors. Hazan teaches readers how to balance acidity, sweetness, saltiness, and bitterness to achieve a well-rounded and satisfying taste. By mastering the art of balancing flavors, readers can create dishes that are both flavorful and nuanced. Embrace regional diversity. Italy is a country with diverse regional cuisines, and Hazan highlights the importance of embracing this diversity. From the rich and hearty dishes of the north to the lighter and seafood-focused recipes of the south, the book encourages readers to explore the culinary traditions of different Italian regions and appreciate their unique flavors and techniques. Homemade is best. Throughout the book, Hazan emphasizes the value of homemade ingredients, from pasta and sauces to stocks and desserts. By making these staples from scratch, readers gain a deeper understanding of the ingredients and techniques involved while achieving superior flavors and textures. The book provides step-by-step instructions to inspire readers to try their hand at making their own homemade delights. Cooking is an expression of love. Above all, Essentials of Classic Italian Cooking conveys the message that cooking is an act of love and care. Hazan's passion for the culinary arts shines through as she shares her knowledge, experiences, and cherished recipes. The book inspires readers to approach cooking as a means of expressing love and creating memorable moments shared with family and friends. In conclusion, Essentials of Classic Italian Cooking by Marcella Hazan is not just a collection of recipes, it is a guide that imparts valuable lessons and insights into the art of Italian cooking. By embracing simplicity, technique, quality ingredients, flavor balance, regional diversity, homemade preparations, and the spirit of love, readers can unlock the true essence of Italian cuisine. This book serves as a lifelong companion, allowing readers to immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of flavors, traditions, and joys that come with mastering classic Italian dishes. Whether you are a seasoned cook or a beginner, Hazan's teachings will undoubtedly elevate your culinary prowess and bring the vibrant spirit of Italy into your kitchen. Ready to embark on a tantalizing journey through the flavors of Italy? Dive into the pages of Essentials of Classic Italian Cooking by Marcella Hazan. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this culinary treasure and unlock the secrets of authentic Italian cuisine. If you enjoyed this summary of Essentials of Classic Italian Cooking by Marcella Hazan, Don't keep it to yourself. Like and share this post to spread the love for Italian cuisine and inspire others to discover the joys of cooking. Subscribe to our channel to receive more captivating book summaries in this category, allowing you to explore a world of culinary delights, cultural insights, and enriching knowledge. Join our community of book lovers and embark on a delightful journey of learning and discovery, one page at a time.